So far, we've considered only the components of total fall distance and clearance requirements. These factors are free fall distance, swing fall distance, and deceleration distance. What other considerations are missing from this model? Additional factors include stretch out, clearance margin, and exceptions within Spratt's clearance requirement guidelines. Stretch out is the vertical extension between a worker's lowest point and harness attachment during a fall. Stretch out may be a result of harness stretch out or from worker stretch out, the repositioning of the worker's body. Harness stretch out may be affected by harness stretch, flipping of the harness attachment, sliding of the harness attachment, and deployment of a visual indicator. Additional stretch out will occur from a harness not being fitted to the individual. Clearance examples in Spratt's clearance requirement guidelines assume an appropriately fitted harness. To determine harness stretch out, consult manufacturer and/or testing data. If this value is unknown, use 0.45 meters. A stretch out value of 0.3 meters is used in examples in Spratt's clearance requirement guidelines. Worker stretch out is a result of the rotation and straightening of the body until it's supported by the harness attachment. For a seated individual, assume a worker stretch out of 0.45 meters for dorsal attachments and 0 meters for sternal attachments. For a kneeling individual, assume a worker stretch out of 0.75 meters for dorsal attachments and 0.3 meters for sternal attachments. For a prone individual, assume a worker stretch out of 1.2 meters for dorsal attachments and 0.75 meters for sternal attachments. Remember, worker stretch out is in addition to harness stretch out. An additional clearance margin should be added to allot for considerations that have not been accounted for in other clearance factors, such as taller workers, elongation of anchorage systems or lanyard stretch, and underestimation of deceleration distance. Clearance margins should not be used to account for inappropriate use of equipment. Clearance margins may be reduced with better system modeling, or if other controls in the rope access system or fall protection program are implemented. A clearance margin of 0.6 meters is used in examples in Spratt's clearance requirement guidelines. Finally, there are a number of factors that may affect clearance requirements that are not addressed in Spratt's clearance requirement guidelines. The contribution of anchorage system deflection from horizontal lifelines or deforming anchorages are not addressed in this documentation. As mentioned in the free fall distance presentation, obstructions and anchorage system capacity requirements are also not addressed in this documentation. Fall protection systems that incorporate any of these exceptions should be addressed by a qualified person.